Our sustainability strategy is based on our winning together values and is essential to how we think about the future. That's why we call it Winning Together for Our People and Our Planet. We're focused on 3 areas. People, that's creating a positive impact for our people, customers and communities. Planet, ensuring sustainable operations and delivering our 2040 net zero plan. And solutions, offering sustainable solutions for our customers with a focus on circular services. Here are a few things to know about sustainability at Computacenter. In our latest employee survey held at the end of 2023, we're really proud to have achieved a sustainable engagement score of 83%, which places us ahead of industry benchmarks. We also achieved an inclusion score of 88%, which shows that our people feel they can be themselves without worrying about how they will be accepted at work, which is brilliant. Diversity and inclusion is so important for our future, to attract all talent to work for us and to continue to build on our culture and values. At the end of last year, 28% of our total employees are women. That's 1,400 more than 4 years ago. Also, 24% of our senior leaders are now women. We want to continue to improve our gender mix. In 2023, we recruited over 3,300 people out of over 100,000 applications received, and we now employ over 20,000 people. We'll continue to build for our future with over 650 graduates, associates, apprentices, and industrial placements hired in 2023. Over 75% of our electricity now comes from renewable sources. We generated 2.5 million kilowatt hours of electricity from our own solar farms, saving over 550,000 kilos of carbon. We've continued to reduce our absolute Scope 1 and 2 carbon emissions, and for the second year now, we're carbon neutral for these. That's an important milestone on our journey to net zero. In 2023, we became one of the first companies in our industry to have our 2040 and interim net zero targets approved by the Science Based Targets Initiative. This shows our commitment to the Paris Agreement. Our sustainable operations strategy includes our net zero plan and other environmental priorities. Some of our initiatives include a levy on travel to show people the carbon impact of their business travel and moving towards an electric company car fleet. Over 95% of our carbon emissions arise from the products we resell. So another key program is working with our technology vendors to integrate their net zero roadmaps with ours. This will help us to provide carbon reporting to our customers, as well as working together across the supply chain towards net zero. Our customers expect us to not only be a sustainable partner, but also to help them to achieve their sustainability goals. We believe an area where we can make a real difference is circular services. In 2023, we avoided 117,000 tons of carbon through the redeployment and remarketing of 500,000 devices. We generated 748 tons of reusable raw materials through the industrial recycling of over 277,000 devices. We take this really seriously, so we've set ourselves an ambitious target to recover, that's redeploy, remarket or recycle, a device for every new device we sell. In 2023, we recovered 775,000 devices, while we sold 4.7 million new devices. So we have a great opportunity to make a real impact for our customers and the planet. We've all got a part to play in building a sustainable future. Thank you to so many people across the group who are involved in delivering sustainability day to day. We're proud of what we've achieved and will continue to improve, invest, and innovate. We'll be the best we can be, a company that our people, customers, partners, and communities can be proud of.